In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid infinity mirror effect in Google Meet. The infinity mirror happens when you present your entire screen and the Meet window shows itself over and over, creating that never-ending tunnel effect. It's distracting, it wastes time, and it's completely avoidable with the right sharing option. First, sign into your Google account and join your meeting as you normally would. Once you're in, take a second to locate the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This is where the share screen button lives, and it's what you'll use when you're ready to present. When it's time to share content, click Share Screen. Google Meet will offer three choices: entire screen, a window, and a tab. To avoid the infinity mirror, do not pick entire screen. Instead, choose a window if you want to share a specific app, like a slideshow, a document, or a desktop application. Choose a tab if what you're showing is in your browser, such as a website or a web app. Picking either of these keeps Meet from capturing its own window, which is what triggers the mirror. After you select a window or a tab, you'll see a preview of available items. Click the exact window or tab that contains the content you want your audience to see, making sure it's not the Meet window itself. If you're sharing a browser tab and you need sound to come through, turn on the Share tab audio option before you confirm. Then click Share. You'll see a confirmation banner that you're presenting, and your audience will only see that chosen content. A quick tip on choosing between a tab and a window. Sharing a tab is great for web pages and often provides smoother video playback with less system load. Sharing a window is ideal when you need to move through multiple documents within the same app without exposing your desktop. If you're sharing a tab and switch to another tab, use the Share this tab instead option in the banner so viewers always see the correct content. If you ever notice the tunnel effect appearing, it means the Meet window slipped into your share. Simply stop presenting with the Stop Sharing button, then start again and choose a window or a tab, being careful to select the correct source. A quick reset like this fixes the problem immediately. That's it. Join the meeting, and when you present, share a tab or a specific window instead of your entire screen. With this small adjustment, your presentation stays clear, professional, and free of the infinity mirror effect.